G20 Ministerial Conference on Women Empowerment to be held at Gandhinagar, Gujarat from 2nd to 4th August 2023. Theme: Women-led inclusive development as cause of intergenerational transformation. The conference while focusing on women-led development will be an opportunity for accelerating achievements towards gender equality, women's empowerment and achieving Sustainable Development Goal 5. The Ministerial Conference on Women's Empowerment under the G20 Indian Presidency, chaired by Union Minister of Women and Child Development Smriti Irani, is set to take place in Gandhinagar, Gujarat from 2nd to 4th August 2023. Gandhinagar is an excusal example of vibrant fusion of centuries-old architecture with modernity and cultural vibrancy, and is known for its historical legacy, artifacts, handicrafts, arts, festival, grants, temple and museum, and a rich civilization that flourished on the western bank of the river Sabarmati. The Ministerial Conference on Women's Empowerment takes place amidst global changes ranging from insufficient progress towards sustainable development goals, challenges posed by climate change and uneven pandemic recovery. The G20 Ministerial Conference, while focusing on women-led development, will be an opportunity for accelerating achievement towards gender equality and women's empowerment and achieving Sustainable Development Goal 5. The ministerial meeting spread over 3 days will witness the participation of more than 150 delegates led by their respective heads of delegation from G20 member invite country and international organization. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will deliver a special video address at the start of the ministerial conference. The discussion and deliberation during 3 days will focus on priority area on education, a game-changing pathway to women empowerment, women's entrepreneurship, a win-win for equity and economy, creating a partnership for promoting women's leadership at all levels, including at grassroots women and girls as change maker in climate resilience action and digital skilling for women's empowerment. The thematic discussion and deliberation in this session will reflect in the chair's summary and will be provided as recommendation to G20 leaders. Further, Asian Development Bank, UN Women and NIPCCD will jointly organize a side event with support from the Ministry of Women and Child Development to identify the action and policy levers in 3 key areas of fiscal policy and tool for gender equality, the care economy and climate change challenge to accelerate gender equality. On 2nd and 3rd August 2023, Ministry of Women and Child Development will be organized an exhibition of the theme of Indian Exit 75 Contribute of Women with focus on women in craft, nutrition and food health, STEM, education and skilling, and in trade and economy. Cultural programs including programs by Shillong Chamber Choir, Drum of India, beside musical and dance performance showcasing the rich culture heritage of India, and a performance by children from Bal Bhavan will be organized for the participating ministries and their delegation. For the local session and millet-based food will be served during the event to celebrate the National Year of Millets. Excursions have also been planned to provide the delegates with an opportunity to enjoy the vibrant historical heritage of the state of Gujarat. MCWE under India's presidency, while building on the work done by previous G20 presidency, will take forward its mandate of enhancing G20 contribution to accelerate program towards women empowerment and strengthening G20 effort in furthering women leads development. India today is going through major transformation. Change will The transition happening from women's development to women lead development, the belief and determination to remove every obstacle in the way of women's progress, and firm conviction that gender does not define potential is forming the basis of G20 Ministerial Conference on Women Empowerment.